Right now, we have more than 6,000 cryptocurrencies available to trade in the market. How does cryptocurrency work? A cryptocurrency is a medium of exchange that is digital, encrypted, and decentralized. Unlike the US dollar or the euro, there is no central authority that manages and maintains the value of a cryptocurrency. You can use crypto to buy regular goods and services, although most people invest in cryptocurrencies as they would in other assets like stocks or precious metals. While cryptocurrency is a novel and exciting asset class, purchasing it can be risky as you must take on a fair amount of research to fully understand how each system works. What they are actually saying here is cryptocurrency can be used to purchase goods and services, even though most people use cryptocurrency as an asset class. Initially, cryptocurrency was designed or was created to act as a medium of exchange on the internet. These currencies are the governance tokens that most of these projects use for the public to trade. What is blockchain technology, or what is blockchain? A blockchain is an open distributed ledger that records transactions in code. In practice, it's a little like a checkbook that's distributed across countless computers around the world. Transactions are recorded in blocks that are then linked together on a chain of previous cryptocurrencies transactions. Imagine a book where you write down everything you spend money on each day, says Buchi Okoro, CEO and co-founder of African cryptocurrency exchange Quidax. So guys, you need to understand blockchain technology is one of the reasons why most people believe in cryptocurrencies and are investing heavily in it. Blockchain technology makes cryptocurrency transparent, it makes it public, it makes everything that happens within the blockchain to be transparent, open for everyone to see. You can consider it like a book that records every transaction that happen, and no one can go on the blockchain and alter it. That's what makes it powerful. With a normal banking system, if say you send money, a banker or one manager can alter transactions or like take away your record from the system. There are two different ways to validate transactions on the blockchain. We have proof of works and proof of stake. Proof of works is when different computers or nodes validate transactions when it's been done on the internet. Let's say I want to send money. Usually if I send money through my bank will take the money and send to another bank, the bank will send it to another bank. It's a system that every sector have to validate it. With cryptocurrencies, it's different. We have different computers. They call them miners. The miners are computers that are stationed all over the world. Each time someone does a transaction, they are the one who validates the transactions to make sure everything is recorded on the blockchain so that no one can alter it. For you to alter any transaction on the blockchain, you need to shut down every computer that exists in the world, which is impossible to. Miners make sure these transactions take place smoothly, fast, and easy. So they are there to record everything that takes place on the blockchain. To reduce the amount of power necessary to check transactions, some cryptocurrencies use a proof of stake verification method. With proof of stake, the number of transactions each person can verify is limited by the amount of cryptocurrencies they are willing to stake or temporarily lock up in a communal safe for the chance to participate in the process. Each person who stakes crypto is eligible to verify transactions. Proof of stake removes energy-intensive equation solving. It's much more efficient than proof of work, allowing for faster verification, confirmation, or transaction. If a stake owner, sometimes called a validator, is choosing to validate a new group of transactions, they will be rewarded with the currencies potentially in the amount of aggregate transaction fee from the block of transactions to discourage fraud. With proof of stake, is different from proof of work that require high computing power. Proof of stake doesn't require high computing power. Instead, it requires most people to stake their cryptocurrencies and get rewards as a result. Both proof of stake and proof of work rely on consensus mechanism to verify transactions. This means while each uses individual users to verify transactions, each verified transaction must be checked and approved by the majority of ledger. Cryptocurrency can be purchased on peer-to-peer network and cryptocurrencies exchanges such as Coinbase Coinbase, Bitfinex. Coinbase, for instance, charge a fee of 0.5% of your purchase plus a flat fee of 0.992. So use my link below to get started with crypto.com and Binance. They are the ones that I recommend mostly because I understand how it functions, and they have really cool fees, cheap fees, more than even Coinbase. They offer Visa cards that you can use to spend your cryptocurrencies on groceries, in the shop, buy online, or do whatever thing you want to do. So make sure you use the link below if say you want to get started. I can help you also if say you need someone to guide you. Just go to my socials and reach out to me. I want to connect with you and help you on how to go about it. All right, guys, overall, I think this is the end of this video. I don't know how much you have learned so far, but if you say you haven't learned much, it's okay, guys. It's okay. This is not something that you will have to rush. You don't have to rush to get everything at once. You can do your own proper research. You don't want to start by without you having knowledge. Don't mind what people will tell you. I've made money, I've done that. Guys, please trust me, you don't want to go that road. If possible, if you want one-on-one with me, there's a link below that will connect you with me for a one-on-one studies on how you can get started with cryptocurrency. I really do want to help you out. I want to see you grow. I want to see you succeed in this space, and hopefully this content was helpful to you. If it was, then smash the subscribe button, then like as well, share it with your friends. You might never know who is among your network who can benefit from such a content. Until then, I wish you guys the best and see you in the next video. Bye bye.